What's up guys? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a shapefile. So basically a shapefile is a geospatial vector data format for geographic information system. It is developed and regulated by Esri as mostly open specification for data interoperability among Esri and other GIS software products. The shapefile format can spatially describe vector features such as points, lines, and polygons, representing, for example, waterways, rivers, and lakes. Each item usually has attributes that describes it, such as name or temperature. As you're seeing on the screen, I'm displaying two shapefiles, the roads and the provinces. Roads are in line format, provinces are in polygon formats. So to download a shapefile, you just have to open your web browser. In this case, I'll be using Chrome. And on the URL, you just have to type Diva GIS. So there are many web portals where you can get these shapefiles, but in this case, I'll be using Diva GIS. You click on the first link that appears and choose free spatial data. Then click on country level data that's highlighted in red and choose your country. Then on the subject matter, you select the shapefile that you want. In this case, I'll choose roads. Then click OK and click on download. So basically these shapefiles come in zip format. So after downloading, you have to make sure that you extract them before you use them. So in this case, I will extract in my folder that I created on my desktop. And then after downloading, I just want to add these shapefiles in one of the GIS software that I use that is called QGIS. So I'll click on layer, add vector layer, and browse where I saved the shapefiles. Then click on open and add. So as you're seeing guys, I've successfully downloaded the Zimbabwe roads shapefiles. If you open the attribute table, you see all the data that shapefile contains. So this is the end of my video that demonstrates how a shapefile is downloaded. Thank you for watching guys, and make sure you subscribe and click that like button. Thank you.